Hey everyone, Albana from Bulgarian Mama's Cooking here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make homemade banana bread just like the one at Starbucks. I'm going to compare this Starbucks banana bread to mine right now, so see for yourself, but mine is way healthier and way cheaper. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. And before we go further, support the mama by hitting the subscribe button. I promise you will love my recipes, and let's get started. So first I'm gonna start with the wet ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, I'm combining 2 eggs. To that I'm gonna add some Greek yogurt and some honey. For this recipe I'm using linden honey, my absolute favorite honey. However, if you prefer to use some maple syrup or agave syrup, then go for it. I'm gonna add some vanilla essence that is alcohol free. Yes, Amazon. This is where I find it from. I'm whisking up everything until combined and it's one color consistency, and then to that I'm gonna add some coconut oil that is room temperature and it's melted. I prefer to use coconut oil every chance I get, just because I think it's better for the body. However, if you prefer to use butter, go for it, but I do recommend that you use a high quality unsalted butter that is grass fed. Next thing that I'm gonna do is mash the bananas. Now for this recipe and all recipes that are from this type, I recommend that you use those type of bananas that are ready for the trash in some opinion, but I promise you those are naturally sweet and they are perfect for those types of recipes, so don't throw them, use them instead to make this awesome banana bread. I'm mashing them with this masher. By the way, I found it in Marshall's. It's extremely inexpensive, so if you go to stores like that, take a look. Next, I'm going to combine my dried ingredients. Here I have some blended oats and some whole oats, and I use quick oats for this recipe. And then I have baking soda, baking powder, and some cinnamon. I'm going to add those two. And then I'm just going to add a pinch of cardamom. This is a really great spice. However, be extremely careful with the cardamom because this will quickly dominate over the rest of the flavors. But if you use just a little tiny bit, it will underline the flavor of the cinnamon, and it just turns out really great. Now to the wet ingredients, I'm gonna add the mashed bananas and then the dried ingredients, and then with the spatula I'm gonna very carefully fold the batter just until combined, or until I no longer have any flour pockets, and in this case all flour pockets. Now it is important that you don't overmix, otherwise you will end up with a not that great result. Now here, if you wish to add something such as walnuts or some chocolate chip or some dried fruit or even almonds or anything else that you prefer that is extra to the banana bread, go for it, add it now. But for this recipe I'm gonna use some crushed walnuts. However, if you prefer to use something else, then go for it. Now to bake this banana bread, I'm using my 8.3 by 4.6 inches loaf pan, and to that I'm gonna add some baking paper, and just to be sure that it's not gonna stick, I'm gonna spray it with some baking spray. I'm moving the batter to the tray, and now here, if you forgot to turn on your oven, go for it and turn it on, because you're gonna need a preheated oven at 350 by Fahrenheit or 180 by Celsius. Now I like cutting out the edges of the parchment paper. However, if you prefer not to do that, that's perfectly okay. And then with the spatula, I'm just gonna smooth everything, and then I'm gonna sprinkle some oats on top of the banana bread. And now here, the banana bread is ready to be baked. And then in the oven it goes for 50 minutes, and I do recommend that you grab a toothpick and start checking after the 50th minute, because it might need a little longer depending on your oven. And then as soon as a toothpick comes out clean of the batter, then your banana bread is ready. When you take it out of the oven, let it rest for at least 30 minutes in the pan, and then take it out and let it come to room temperature for another 30 minutes. This banana bread is super moist and absolutely delicious, and it does not need anything extra. But if you're one of those people that want some extra with your banana bread, then I do recommend that you make this topping that is made of 2 simple ingredients, and it's literally going to take you 30 seconds to put together. So here I have some ricotta cheese and some honey. I'm gonna mix everything very well. It comes together super quickly and it's so delicious. I'm serving on top of the banana bread, and that is it. If you made it this far, thank you for watching and supporting Bulgarian Mommy's Cooking. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you have not yet and you enjoy this content, be sure to hit that subscribe button with the bell on so that you get notifications every time when I upload a new video. And I will talk to you very, very soon. Bye for now.